On today's menu, a simple recipe that may leave you feeling fruity. Lychee orange soda.
Lay home ma everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. Lychees definitely remind me of my childhood and they're just incredibly delicious. Nothing really replaces the flavor of these amazing lychees. Now they are a little bit expensive, so this is quite a treat, but here is an easy way you can make a lychee orange soda.
1.5 cups fresh orange juice. Half a pound lychees. Use a knife to remove the seeds.
To juice them, you can always use a potato ricer.
Lychee.
Don't throw out the flesh. You can really elevate that next smoothie with that amazing lychee.
Orange juice. Add some chopped lychees for some texture. 1 cup carbonated water. Ice cubes. You can make this easy and refreshing drink with absolute confidence.
Easy, delicious, and absolutely refreshing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.